Language processor. To communicate with someone, we need a specific language which can be easily understood. In different types of language available, from 1G to 4G and binary language. There are basically three types of languages. First is high level language, second is middle level language, and third is low level language. First one is high level. High level means it is at the highest level, which can be very easily understood by human. For example, C, C++, Java, PHP. These languages are very high level language, can be very easily understood by human. Second is middle level language. In this we have a assembly language, means English-like language, which is very easy to understand. Third is low level language. This level language is well understood by the machine, and this language is also called machine language or binary language. Machine or binary language is type of only two variable, which is 0 and 1. 0 or 1. In this we have a variable, one variable. This variable can only have two values, and only have two values, 0 or 1. But at one time it takes only one value, either 0, either 1. So this is a type of languages, high, middle, low level languages. Now came to the language processor. Language processor is class of systems software. Language processor is type of a system software which is used to convert a program which is written by the user in high level language into their equivalent binary transformation or language. Means language processor is a type of system software that is used to convert a high level program into the equivalent binary language program. Means we have a program written in the C or C++ language, sum A, B. This is a high level program language. We have to convert it into a binary language or machine language so that our computer can easily understand the program. In this we have a compiler, interpreter, third is assembler. First one is compiler. Compiler is used to convert high level language into the middle or intermediate language. Compiler is used to convert the program written in the high level language into the middle or intermediate language. In this we have a object file. In this we have a object file which contains intermediate code. Compiler is a software program written in the high level language by using some special software. Compiler is a software program written in the high-level language by using some special software called editors. After the compilation, object code is generated. After the compilation, object code is generated. This object code is then transferred into the binary or machine code. Second is interpreter. Interprets the meaning of a program. Means interpreter knows the meaning of the each line of the program. It translates program or source code line by line, but compiler translates the code all the program at the once, but here it translates line by line. While program is running, interpreter has more speed of translation. Third point is assembler. Assembler means a system software that is used to translate assembly level instruction or language into the machine language. Assembler is used to assemble all the instruction and then transfer into the machine language. For example, we have a sum A, B. This is written in the assembly language. This can be converted or transferred into the machine language. Sum is converted into 1101. Variable A is converted into the 1110 and variable B converted into the 1111. So this is an example of converting the assembly language into the machine language. Number 4 is device driver. Device driver is used to operate the device. Many input-output devices operate on their own instruction or system. Many devices use their own system or use their own instructions. Device driver is special software used to operate a device. Device driver is special software used to operate particular or special device. Device driver is a link between the device and OS of the computer. Device and OS of a computer. Here is user. Number 5 is utility programs. Number 5 is utility programs. The program provided to ensure proper functioning of a computer. Utility program is a program provided to ensure proper functioning of the computer. We have a basically 5 types of a utility program. First is text editor. First one is a text editor. For example, we have a notepad, wordpad, or any text pad used to write something. Second program is backup utility. Second is backup utility. This utility is used to perform the backup of all the important program or data. Backup the important data or program so that it can available after some mishappening. Third is compression utility. Compression means compress means we have a very large file of 6 MB. After compression we have a only 1 MB file. Use to compress the size of a file. Number 4 is disk defragmenting. Disk defragment. In the disk we have a used space and unused space. In the memory we have a used space and the unused space in the memory, and this function is used to separate the used space and unused space. Number 5 is antivirus. As you know, there may be virus in the computer which can harm your system files or data or program. So antivirus is used to protect your system or computer from the virus. There are many antivirus available in the market. Some of
हमारा YouTube के ऊपर चैनल बना है मालवा पॉलिटेक्निकल कॉलेज, और इसको आप लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना, क्योंकि हमारी जो नई नई अपडेट्स हैं वो आपको मिलती रहे। इसके लिए आप जरूर लाइक और